Welcome back, guys. Recently I did a video with my daughter about I want to know how it feels to have a talk with a saints of old. And I just wanted to real quickly show you a tutorial of how to play that. So we played this song in D and E, but what I want to do is do this song in C. C is sometimes easier to reference, and playing in C is a little bit easier to do. And how I kind of did the intro, I did this like D minor 7, C over E, F. This would be like a kind of a D7, major 7, D major over F sharp, G, C. And that's just walking up 3, 4, 4 sharp 5 on your scale, E, F, F sharp, G. Oh, my mama and daddy talk about going home since I was just a babe on their knees. So just walking up that and vamping. C, C over E, F, D minor 7. They said that nothing compared to what was waiting up there. How one day we would finally be free. So that G, F, F over G, which is also a G11, C. Well, I never seen it, but I keep on believing it'll be a place like I never known. It's just basically repeated what we started with. C, vamp, C over E, F, D minor 7. I keep my eyes on the sky, my soul wants to fly, and it's all G. So that's all on that 5th note of the scale. I want to know how it feels to make my way down the streets of gold. So that it's the same pattern we've been doing. C, vamp, C over E, F. I want to know how it feels. So that's going to that G. To have a talk with the saints of old. So E, F, F sharp, G. After we're doing all those, that same pattern. I want to know what it's like to rest my feet by the river of life. So same pattern we've been doing, going C, going up to the F, back down to the D minor. I've heard of heaven, and I know that it's real. I want to know how it feels. To do the end, you go, I've heard of heaven, and I know that it's real. And if you want to do that again, I've heard of heaven, and I know that it's real. I want to know how it feels. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you and helps you play this great, wonderful song. Till next time, guys, God bless.